Hey, I'm Will with Lake Lifter, and this is a simpler one today. This is how you can replace your LED cable assembly in almost any system.
Before you start operating, make sure your box is turned off and unplugged. First, use a wrench to unscrew the nut located here. Next, push the light out of the socket a bit, then pull back on the plastic holder that keeps the light in place to remove it. It should have a clipped end. Use that to pull it off the wire and keep it around you. Unscrew the wire from the holder and pull it out. When putting in a new cord, keep in mind that the clamp to the controller is the same diameter as the hole in the box, so they must be lined up evenly to get it through. Pull the wire almost entirely through the hole. Next, reclamp the plastic holder. Make sure it's between the light and the nut, as when you go to screw it on, the nut has to be on the outside. Before pulling the light all the way through, first line up the holder piece, then pull the screwed portion of the light through. Screw the nut back on the bolt and reattach the other end of the wire to your controller and enjoy your new LED light.
Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit our website, which is the top link in the description.